Remove inverter front bottom cover. This is AC output. This is AC input. The outside is communication board. Inside is parallel board. The left is positive terminal and right is negative terminal. PV interfaces. AC output cable connect from here. AC input cable connect from here. Right here is the Wi-Fi interface RS232. Right here is the lithium battery BMS interface RS485. Right here is dry contact. It is for connecting DG. The first and second port below are parallel current balance port. The third and fourth port below are parallel communication port. Battery cable connect from here. PV cable connect from here. Inverter switch. Use the red cable to connect the positive terminal of the inverter. Connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Use the black cable to connect the negative terminal of the inverter. Connect the other end of the black cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Use knife to cut the protection plug. Main utility AC output connection. Red is connected to the live line. Black is connected to the neutral. Main utility AC input connection. Red is connected to the live line. Black is connected to the neutral. PV input connection. Red to connected at positive. Black to be connected at negative. The other two inverters are also need to be connected in the same way. Inverter connect two single battery and battery connect in parallel. Battery cabling diagram. Batteries need to be connected in parallel. Parallel inverter AC input. Turn on the lithium battery switch. Wait for the battery breathing light to turn green. Turn on the lithium battery output switch, commonly known as circuit breaker. Turn on the switch of the first inverter. Press and hold the enter key to enter settings. After entering the settings, turn off the inverter switch. Turn to the fourth page and select PAL mode, single inverter but in parallel mode. After pressing enter to save the setting, press ESC to exit and return to the main screen. Set the second and third inverters to single mode by using the same steps. Connect the parallel communication cable from the left side VGA port of the first inverter to the right side VGA port of the second inverter. Get another VGA cable. Connect the parallel communication cable from the left side VGA port of the second inverter to the right side VGA port of the third inverter. Get another VGA cable. Connect the parallel communication cable from the left side VGA port of third inverter to the right side VGA port of the first inverter. Current equalizing cable cabling. The first inverter is connected from the left interface to the right interface of the second inverter. Get another current equalizing cable. The second inverter is connected from the left interface to the right interface of the third inverter. Get another current equalizing cable. The third inverter is connected from the left interface to the right interface of the first inverter. Turn on the inverter switches in sequence. Screen display. The inverter that is powered on first is displayed as HS, host. The second inverter screen display, displayed as SL, slave. The third inverter screen display, displayed as SL, slave. Connect mains utility AC input. Turn on the mains utility AC switch. Screen display. Mains utility AC is connected, charging the battery and giving supply to the load. Connect PV input. The screen displays PV is connected, charging the battery and giving supply to the load. Turn off the mains utility AC switch. The screen shows mains utility AC has disappeared. Only PV charging the battery and giving supply to the load. Turn off the PV input. Screen shows PV disappear, battery power the load. Connect output. On load display. Connect the communicate cable to inverter RS485 port. Connect communicate cable another side to the first lithium battery RS4851 port. Get another communicate cable. Connect to the first lithium battery RS4852 port. Connect the communicate cable to the second lithium battery RS4853 port. Get the third communicate cable. Connect to the second lithium battery RS4852 port. Connect the communicate cable to the third lithium battery RS4853 port. Turn on first switch on the first lithium battery. Turn on second switch on the second lithium battery. Turn on both first and second switch on the third lithium battery. Long press enter on the first inverter to enter setting mode. Turn to the 37 page and select ON mode. Screen shows the logo means communication success. Page up and down to check the lithium battery information.